Hey everybody, it's Allison from Common Ground Gardens. So I'm pretty sick today, not feeling good, and I've been craving something that was like kind of like mac and cheese, or we really wanted to make something with our sun-dried tomatoes. So I was just going to show you a really quick crock-pot recipe that's gluten-free. So many of the crock-pot recipes I've been watching on YouTube are just, they always have wheat or corn in them. So this has neither. I got one chicken breast in there. First I laid down some olive oil, and then one chicken breast, salt and peppered. I already got that started. I actually remember to pull that out of the freezer. And then I have a quart, a little under a quart, of homemade chicken stock. And I do this is like the key to having delicious stuff. And then I'm gonna add our fantastic sun-dried tomatoes that I showed you guys earlier. So this is a recipe we made a couple weeks ago, and it was just so good. So I have a nice handful, might even be a little too much, but of chopped up sun-dried tomatoes. And then this is like 3 garlic cloves. And that was probably the hardest part of the whole meal. Chopping up the garlic. So just dumping that in there. And then I've got a little bit more than half of a brick of cream cheese. I'm gonna put that in there. So it's gonna be all creamy and delicious. And that'll just melt down. I'm gonna add a little extra Italian seasoning. And then maybe a little extra pepper and salt later. And then maybe let this cook about 4 hours on low, and then during the last hour I'll put in gluten-free noodles. I always do way too many noodles, so I'm gonna try and keep it to a cup and see how that goes. But I mean, what could be easier? A gluten-free crock-pot dump dinner, and now I got delicious noodles for dinner. And also I was thinking I'm probably gonna add some spinach or broccoli, so it's like a creamy casserole that's got some more veggies in it. I'm sure that would help me get better faster. So there you guys go. I'll show you when it's done. All right, you guys, here is the finished product. I added, ended up adding like a little splash of cream and a little bit of tapioca starch because I wanted it to be a little bit creamier. It was kind of runny, so that was no problem. You could use cornstarch too. And then I did add about a half a cup of spinach, frozen spinach, because I figure we need as many veggies as we can get. So there you go, gluten-free. Dump in the crock pot and get on with your life. Awesome. Remember, life's a garden. Dig it.